Yo, what is going on? It is currently Thursday, January 29th, 4:52 p.m. And today was a pretty straightforward day. One of those days where you just honestly have to read conditions and understand that it is not a day you want to take entries on. Now, real quick before we do dabble more into today, I want to speak about yesterday. Yesterday I feel as though I got too emotional. Why did my trade fail yesterday? Honestly, was conditions. I failed to realize that. Um like Nick, go back in the video and look at price action, and you can honestly see that there was inverse up, inverse down, inverse back up. I took that inverse back up, seeing that we had just inversed up and down. It was all condition based. What did I do? I took that lesson. I had to lose yesterday to learn that lesson truly. I always knew about it, but was I applying it correctly? No. Now I am. Every day I wake up, and what motivates me to wake up, what inspires me every day, is to be 1% better than yesterday. Thankfully, today was one of those days I got to wake up and be 1% better than I was yesterday. I'll be honest. I want to be transparent. Like at the end goal is obviously to be able to teach people, and it's to be transparent from day one, so that whoever I'm able to teach, I'm able to teach in the most fluid, in the most honest, in the most trustworthy way. I broke down yesterday. Yeah, I was in my room. I sat in my fucking room. Right there on my bed. I gotta take that pillow back downstairs. I sat right there on my bed, and I broke down. I did. I'll be honest. Yeah, but 1% better each day. Took that and applied it today, man. Thankful for that. Okay, so enough about yesterday. I needed to get that off my chest. I needed to be honest. I needed to be open with myself. I wanted to say that. Sorry if I was rambling. All right, let's get into today. Like I said, today was a pretty straightforward day. Conditions. Obviously said I didn't want to trade. What was I coming into today? I was actually bearish. Yeah, you're gonna think all of this momentum, all of these equal highs and shit. I was bearish if I was just bearish. I don't know what it was. I seen a lot of these. I seen ES staying high and failing to take out London, and immediately at open, I thought that we would have Judas lower and ripped up if we were just gonna continue to make these highs. But what do we have? We have a lot of trendline liquidity down here. Learned about that yesterday. One and two, we have a lot of failure swings. A lot of these are failing. Like, they're not necessarily failure swings because they're all stacked. Like, they liquidity sweep, liquidity sweep, move lower, liquidity sweep, move lower, failure swing, liquidity sweep, all of this, move lower. London is also an equal high. That's why it was a prominent draw to me on ES. I like it when there's equal highs at a good draw liquidity like that on ES only. But NQ just operating lower and lower and lower. This, okay, where was it? This was under here. This was under here. NQ is showing it wants to go down, and it's operating below midnight open. We still have Asia low. We have a low of day. We have a daily fair value gap, and we have a couple other stacked lows. I didn't think we were going to dump off this much, but I did at least think we could get to that daily fair value gap and then react off of that. Brother, we just avalanche poured. And this is what I'm saying. It's a very straightforward day. Like, honestly, you see this 1 minute would have broken you even to the tick. This would have been your fill. Broken you even by 5 points, and then sprinted down. This would have pissed me off. But why would I take this trade? What reasoning is there behind it? Just following order flow? Like that, I'm sorry, but I want to see clear rejection, because as easy as it could have done this, it could have reversed back up and that. And on top of that, it's a 60 fucking 1 point stop loss. No, thank you. Right? Then this was the only trade that I was like about, like that honestly piqued my interest. And that's only because it was just a continuation. It was the first retrace. If we take a look at all of these 5 minute gaps, not entered, like not respect, like no retrace, no retrace. Technically a retrace off open, but yeah, 15 minute gap, no retrace. Let's even look at the 30 minute. Let's start incorporating the 30 minute. Let's see. No retrace. Like, you see what I'm saying? There was no retraces until there's one lower 5 minute gap. And off of this 5 minute gap, what did we do? Oh, shit, wait. Off of this 5 minute gap, we left a beautiful, like a really nice 30 second to just target some sell side liquidity below for a nice 1.5 RR. Well, honestly, would have been 1.5. I would have set my limit right here. Like, I would have probably bought in right here. Would have had to run it a little bit lower. I'll probably run like a 1.2. Well, I'll target 50 points. 50 points for like a 1.3, right? Beautiful. Look at this fucking displacement. You can't ask for more. But brother, what do we do at the top? At the top of that retracement, we equal highs, man. That's what stopped me from taking this trade. This was just the first retracement, just the first continuation. Beautiful displacement. Had a good break-even point right here. I believe, were we SMT'd right here? Nah, we weren't. Yeah, nah, we weren't. But yeah, just those equal highs stopped me from taking it. Would have played out like fucking butter. And then I seen Will take this trade. Will took this 1 minute entry long to break even at these equal highs. As you can see, we had this 1 minute right here and this 1 minute. So he waited for both 1 minutes of the price leg to get inverted. Stops right below the wick of this candle. And was just targeting, I believe he was targeting like a little bit up here. No, it wasn't that high. Like just something around here, right? Break even at these equal highs. I personally, this isn't my my model. I can take something like this personally if there's a SMT at the swing low of the entry. If we take a look here, there's not. ES is below both of those. NQ is below both of those. And the equal highs was nice. 5 minute to target the 5 minute. Like, nice, you know? Or even if there was a 15 up here that you could have targeted. No, the 5 was a 15. You know? But honestly, I thought this would have at least gotten break even. We have such strong displacement. We have equal highs. But I guess price really did not want these equal highs. Because the 30-second rejected them. The 1 minute failed to take them. And then we continue lower. Honestly, after I seen this not play out, called it a day. I was done by like 10:35. I just called it a day, man. Like I was saying, conditions. You have to know when not to trade. This isn't a day that's ideal to trade. All the draws on liquidity had just gotten taken out. We just had a fucking huge dump. Like these candles were big as fuck too. A fucking almost 400 point range in the AM session. Just get off. Just get off, bro. Just get off. And yeah, that was today. Would I have gotten an entry? My hair is fucked. I've been wearing this beanie all day. My ears hurt. Would I have gotten an entry? Yeah, if those equal highs were never formed. But it's not about ifs. It's about what did happen. Remember, you can't react to what you think. You have to react to what is given. And yeah. So that's pretty much it for today. Pretty straightforward day. Not much more to really go over. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. And I appreciate you if you actually did watch that opening segment of where I just reviewed how I felt. And I wanted to apologize for yesterday to not only you guys, but myself. And I just want to be as open and honest as possible. So yeah. Peace, love, positivity. Please stay blessed. Please stay safe in this very, very cold time.